The sum of coefficients of even power of x in this equation, we need to find the sum of coefficients of even powers. So even numbers that are 2, 6, 4, we need to find the power of these even numbers from this equation which we have given in here, that is x plus under root x cube minus 1 to the power 6 plus x minus under root x cube minus 1 whole to the power 6. We need to find the coefficients of even powers from this equation. How we will do it, we will see in the next slide. So here we are finding the coefficients of this equation which we have given this one. So here we are first of all opening the square root and noting the coefficients as coefficient 0, C0, this is the first coefficient, C2, that is the second coefficient, C4 and C6. We are just assuming these constant in this equation as like this. Then what we are doing is we are further taking common and solving these equations. We have taken common 2 which is in every equation, so we are left with x to the power 6, 15x to the power 4, bracket is open, we have opened this 6 cube bracket, and from that we are getting these equations. Then we are further opening this bracket and this bracket, and we are opening this cube. We are not opening this cube for now, we are opening these brackets, and we will get this equation, and our this cube is also opened. Then we are taking the terms of even powers, so let's look for the even powers in here. So we are left with coefficients, so this is the coefficient of, as we can see that we have the constants. For this we have 1 constant, for this we have 15 constant, this we have 15, then again we have 15, 15, 3 and minus 1. So we are adding these and multiplying with this 2, this is also a constant, so we will get a solution of 24. That is, from this equation we are getting the sum of the constant terms.